Okay. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Our topic today is change of subject of formula. That is what we'll be looking at. Change of subject of the formula. We'll be looking on this topic. Subject of formula. Okay, study. So after this lesson, we should be able to identify, we should be able to solve these ones. One, to change subject of the formula. That is our first objective. Number two, we should know master or no the techniques okay. So we are saying change the subject of the formula, that's our key word there. Subject of the formula, that's our key expression. We are saying when something is being named subject of the formula, this is the variable. It will be the variable that is alone on the other side of the equal sign. Okay, are we together? That is alone on the other side of the equal sign. Suppose we have something like y is equal to x plus 1. On this case, we are saying y is the subject of the formula. Why? Because it is alone on each side of the equal sign. We are saying that it is this variable that is being solved for. Okay, so our topic is today is to change the subject of the formula. In this case, our subject is y. So a question might come and say, make x the subject of the formula. We are saying we now want to make x the subject of the formula. So let's solve for that one. Make x the subject of the formula. Subject of the formula. This is the shorthand for the. Okay, so we are saying when you are solving this one, we need to create what we call balance. What we do on the left hand side, we do it on the right hand side. We are saying if the variable was added, we do subtract. If it was multiplied, we do division. That is the reverse thing. We do reverse the reverse function. So we reverse this side. If it was added, we subtract. If it was multiplied, we divide. So what we do on the left hand side, we do on the right hand side. Right? So now we want to make x the subject of the formula. In other words, we are saying we want to make x alone on each side. So we are saying what is the relationship between x and 1? We can see that 1 was added to x. Therefore, if you want to reverse this one, we subtract. So we are subtracting 1 both sides. So we are saying y minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 minus 1. Okay? Now, we can see that one. This one gives us 0. It gives us 0. So our expression now will be y minus 1 is equal to x plus 0, which is this one. So now x is alone on its side, okay? So we are saying we can write this as x is equal to 1 minus 1. Y minus 1. That will be our answer there. This is the subject of the formula, okay? Suppose you are given another example, e.g. 2, e.g. 1 there, e.g. 1 there. So we have, suppose we have 2x plus minus 4x is equal to 1. And then the question still remains, here we can say y. 2y minus 4x. The question says here, make x the subject of the formula. Okay, we can see that here, our x is called, the variable or the coefficient of x is negative. So we need to make it positive. We do add 4x both sides. So that this one, we take this one to the other side so that it becomes positive. So we are saying 2y minus 4x is equal to 1 plus 4x. Okay? We also add 4x here. Since it was added, so that you can remain with 0 here, we want to remove this one. Okay, now we are saying we want to leave with to leave something with an x alone. So we can see now we have 1 plus 4x. We therefore add 1 both sides to remain with 4x. So we have 2y minus 1 is equal to 4x plus 1 minus 1. This one gave us to 0. So it's 2y minus 1 is equal to 4x. Now we want to leave to have something like x alone. So we can see that 4 was multiplied to x. If we want to reverse that, we divide both sides by 4. By 4. So here that we divide we get 1. So we will have expression 2y minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to x. We can write this in form of our final answer. Our x will be 2y minus 1 divided by 4. That is our final answer. Okay, on your own, can we solve this one? Can we find the subject? So can we make x the subject of the formula when you are given y is equal to x squared? Do it on your own. Thank you.